What's up, guys?
What's up?
My man Sampa here
Black man
decided
Black man down.
to help me out with this challenge. I don't know. You want to call it a challenge? I don't know. Whatever. We're just gonna do it. I've been waiting so long to do this. I'm finally gonna do this. Anyways, what we're doing today is the following: 40 chicken nuggets. 20, 20, 20. Hold that one up too. 20, 20, 20, 20. Right? Wait.
20.
I think I said too many 20s. Okay.
20.
So I'm gonna blend my 40 and try to drink it. He's gonna eat them straight, like
I'm gonna chug that joint just like
just no.
Eat the whole box and everything. I'm gonna tear that joint up. What? No box at all. Go ahead.
Alright, so blending. He's gonna eat these.
Hey, you got some sauce? You got the
Of
Szechuan sauce?
course.
Wait, where's that from? Wendy's? The Szechuan sauce?
Nah, bro. This is from McDonald's. Make it rain on you. Make it rain. No one's gonna spill your ground.
Oh yeah, that's true. I don't like coming up shit.
But like sauces for days.
Ooh. 1, 2.
Let's get the blending then.
Meet me outside. Meet me outside. Hold on, let me go warm this up. I like my shit hot and spicy, you know? Hot and spicy. Hot and spicy.
Alright, you say put ranch in it?
Put ranch in it.
Or put Pepsi. Pepsi!
Put both.
Oh,
Put both. He's about to throw up. Watch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, let's get it.
that was like, bro.
15, 16, 17, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
1 eternity later.
You have to try again, Zexon. Alright.
I didn't work on
So what you want?
I just thought about something.
Pepsi?
How the hell am I gonna like blend all of them at once?
Fuck it.
No, fuck it. I gotta blend them like.
No.
Dude, it's not gonna do it.
It is. You can put the cover on.
It's not gonna work.
It's gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
Try it.
It's not gonna work.
You want me 10 push-ups if it don't work?
Fuck 10 push-ups. I'll do 100. It's not gonna work.
If it works. Go ahead.
If it works, I do push-ups. If it doesn't, you jump out the window.
Nah, I'll jump out the door.
You do 100 push-ups.
I'll do 100 push-ups.
Alright.
Whew. That's good. You got it. I'm gonna do the push-ups. But after this, I gotta see you chug it first. He's gonna forget. So let's go.
Alright.
You got it?
So what I did, I blended them by parts, so it won't be hard for me to blend them all together. Now I'm gonna put them all together.
And then we're gonna rock, paper, scissors to find out what this is gonna be mixed with. Alright.
Best out of one or best out of three?
Best out of one. Best out of one.
Just one.
Best out of one.
Okay. So if you win, I have to get this. If I win, I have to get this.
Yep.
Yeah,
So
you
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go! Right?
I'm so nervous and you
Ready?
can tell.
Alright?
We do rock, paper, scissors, shooting it.
Yeah. Alright, you gonna need him. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, jump.
No!
I said it could be anything.
No!
I said it could be anything.
No.
No.
We said rock, paper, scissors.
I said it could be anything.
You never said God in that
I didn't say it could be anything.
No, bullshit.
You rewind this. No. Okay, fine. We'll do this by the rules.
No, fuck you.
No.
There's no second tries. I got it.
Let's do this. You ain't mentioned it, so I said everything. You didn't listening. He wasn't listening, so he don't listen. He hard-headed. So we're gonna do this again.
Replay.
We do rock, paper, scissors, shooting it. Yeah.
You saw the replay, so who won?
Me. Team Sexy Chocolate. Alright? I said I do it.
Who you do it for?
I do it.
You know what? I'm gonna use both.
Hey.
Ready?
Go. Chicken. ain't good. No, honey.
Smell.
Honey, no.
Smell.
Honey.
Smell.
Ah. You don't want to smell this thing. This thing smells so horrible. It just makes me want to throw up in my own mouth.
Hold on.
Like, look at that joint. That joint look nasty.
Damn.
It looked like my dookie. That joint fell down. I was like, dookie.
Stop! Nasty.
On your mark. Get set. Let's get ready to rumble. That one. What about you up here?
Sounds like you're making up. I said you not. If I'm not looking at you, if I only hear you, you sound like you're making up.
This is torture. I have to do this to feed my family.
I don't know what that was about, honestly.
Help me, people. Hey, I have set up a...
Like and subscribe, please.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Tell him.
Hey, like and subscribe. I get to see my family tomorrow.
Once again, I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black.
Who farted?
Throw up.
Nope, not throw up.
Bruh.
It was not throw up.
Bruh.
It was not throw up.
Bruh, what was that?
I was just spit everything out of my mouth.
Huh?
Fuck. Actually, this is throw up.
Is that disqualification?
Yeah, I think you won.
Alright, cool.
Ah!
Alright. I gotta be a kind sport. You okay?
Hold up.
Alright, throw it up. I can't look at throw up without throwing up. Nurse!
I fucking lost this. Sorry. I can't do it. It's just too disgusting. It's too fucking disgusting. Trying to drink something with Pepsi. What is this? And maple and fucking chicken nuggets all in one. It's disgusting. Like I have a disgusting tolerance up to a certain level. That should just reach that level. Well.
That was interesting.
I lost.
That was interesting.
So apparently you can eat 40 nuggets
Yep.
faster than you can drink them.
Yep.
But you gotta give me credit.
Nope.
2 cans of soda, and I believe Aunt Jemima. I mean, Aunt Maples was up to here.
Thanks for having me on your show.
My show.
Your show.
My
Yeah.
show. Well,
Your show.
I'm flattered he called it my show. Didn't do it.
Nah.
But it's alright.
It's okay. We got next time.
If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do.
Like it.
Comment.
Subscribe. Comment.
Anything.
You can tell us how sexy we are, you know. Flex, flex, flex. Yeah. Do the chicken flex. But yeah, man.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you haven't done so already.
Do it.
Smash that.
Do it, man. Do it. I'm telling you, man. There's better videos coming.
A lot more.
And we're gonna make this guy do more crazy stuff. A lot more crazy stuff. And I'm gonna just be here laughing at it. So you can join me and laugh at him. And yeah. Peace.
Thanks for watching.
Peace.
Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go.
Dog, that shit hurt. Oh, I know.